Hi to all architects, engineers and CAD draftsmen. I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw a house plan for beginner students, and in this video you will learn how to start and draw a house plan. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, before I start the house plan, we set our units and we set our basic dimensions. And to set the units, type UN and enter. Now select the architecture and precision 1/4 inches. And our insertion scale is already on inches. And click on OK. Now we set our basic dimensions, and for that type D and enter. Click on modify, click on primary units, select architecture and precision 1/4 inches. Now click on text tab and click here, give the height 8 inches and enter. Now click on close and click on ISO standards. Click on symbols and arrows and give the arrow size 8 inches like we give to text height, and click on OK. Set current and close. So in this way we set our units and basic dimensions to draw a house plan. Now we start our commercial area plan, and all the commands which are necessary to draw a commercial area plan given in the description with the video link, so check it out. Now draw a line 45 feet and move it here. Give the offset 9 inches and draw a line 14 feet 9 inches like this, and give the offset 9 inches. Now draw a line 10 feet 9 inches and copy it. Now give the offset 5 feet and now give the offset 4.5 inches. Give the offset 3 feet 10 inches and give the offset 4.5 inches. Move it 4.5 inches and give the door width 2 feet and trim this. Give the door height 2 feet and make an arc to draw a door panel. And mirror this door with this center axis point and give the direction and click on no. Trim these extra lines and delete it. Now we use divide command to divide this all area into 3 parts, and for that type div, select the line and type 3 and enter. Now type p type and select this symbol and click on OK. Now draw this line and delete it. Now give the offset 4.5 and delete it. F enter and M enter to make the corner. So in this way we fillet it. Now make the shutter, and it's about 6 feet 3 inches on both sides. And trim these. Give the offset 1 inch to show the shutter. Select and copy like this. Here we make our stairs. TR double enter and trim extra lines. Give the offset 5 feet. We draw a line like this. Now from center point we draw a line and give the offset 6 feet on both sides, and with an arc we make arc like this and extend it. Now we change the line type of these two lines, and for that load another type of line type and ISO dash and OK, and click on OK. Now select these two lines and select this ISO dash line. So in this way we draw our commercial area plan. And all the beginner students, I hope you like this video and you learn a lot from this video. And if you have any question related to this video, please leave a comment. And guys, all the commands which are necessary to draw this commercial area plan given in the description with the video link. So guys, check it out. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.